Tell me about the first video you created on YouTube.
Okay, the first video I created on YouTube was HAITIAN V. Hold on, what was it? The first real video I did on YouTube was for Good Music. It was for Kanye West's company. They were trying to do like different things, and they wanted to do like a DVD. And one of the people that was there asked me, do I do any characters? I was like, yeah, I guess I'll do this Haitian character like my uncle. And you know, people find that funny. He was like, all right, cool, we'll put it on. So they tested it on YouTube, and that was the one that had the most views. Back then, to have like, I mean, like today, in this day, you'll see somebody put something up and it'll be like 3 million views in 2 hours.
Yeah,
but
right.
back then,
That was tough.
this is like 2000 and I want to say 2004 is when I started it. And back then to have like 1,000 views in a day was a big deal. So, yeah, so that's what I did with that. And would I change anything? No, because they were all freestyle. All those videos you see are like impromptu.
Right.
They're not scripted. It'll probably have like, if it's like a skit we did, there was no real script. It was just like, all right, we're gonna do this, and I'll do my part and you do yours, and then, yeah.
It's fire. It's like raw.
Yeah. So what was your favorite video? What's your favorite video that you did, like from back then?
My favorite video I did was HAITIAN V.
Really?
Yeah, I think that's the most creative I've ever. Not most creative, but nobody saw it when I was telling them, like, all right, even the videographers, it was like, yo, this is how we're doing. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, do this, do that, and they didn't get it until like it was like halfway complete on editing, and they were like, oh, okay, yeah, so.